All that no sugar business. In one day.
Really? She's never had any sugar?
Yeah, never.
No candy.
Really?
Only had vegetables.
She's had sweets, hasn't she? She's had ice cream or something, right?
What is this?
Oh, really? But not, you really haven't, too shadowy here. Can you eat
Put it in your mouth.
Eat them.
And we're all watching, waiting.
Okay, I'm gonna put my finger in there. She's gonna lick it.
She's just gonna go for it.
Take a bite.
Baby Annabelle takes a bite.
Oh, come on.
Boy, she getting her.
She's just,
Take a bite.
she's playing with it. She's not licking it yet. She's not sure if I'm supposed to eat it.
Mmm.
That was good, Dad.
Yummy.
I think you're full.
That was
of
good.
Beans and prunes.
More fun to play
She
with.
gets taste, knows so much, maybe.
Look at her, look at her. She's like, get the heck out of here.
More.
Yum, yum. Mm.
Ah, she gets it. Wheels are turning.
Could eat it.
Should I give her a little spoonful so she knows what it is?
I just either that or maybe.
Uh-oh.
In the voice. Oh, Abby, just take it for yourself.
The dark stuff. Might not be too bad.
I was like, I'll test it for you. Oh, look at her now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. We went
There
for
it
it.
is.
There you go.
Oh, that's a start.